Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kurt Buchanan and I'm really happy and excited you decided to check out my video. Thank you so very much for that. I really do appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to be sharing something really awesome with you, something that's a secret in Shopify dropshipping. Alright, so not a lot of dropshippers are using this, and if you get on board and start doing this right now, you can realize a lot of success really fast in your Shopify dropshipping business. Alright, so I'm going to show you the exact strategies that I use in my very Shopify store to do over 650 orders in 30 days dropshipping from AliExpress on Shopify. So let me show you exactly what I did, and I want you to follow exactly what I did and replicate it for your store. And if you do, you should see some orders coming in from your Facebook ad campaigns. Alright, so step number one is to create a Facebook fan page. Hopefully you already have a Facebook fan page for your Shopify store. Then you need to create a MiniChat account. So what is MiniChat? I'm going to show you right now. MiniChat.com is a place where you can create chatbots for your Facebook fan page. Alright, so you want to go to MiniChat.com. It's very easy. You want to click on get started. Then you want to sign up with Facebook. Then it's going to ask you to select a Facebook page or several Facebook pages, but you want to make sure you select the Facebook page that is associated with your Shopify store. Alright, once you have that ready, next step is to actually go to your Shopify store, go to where it says discount. You want to go ahead and create a discount code by just typing in a discount code, entering the percentage, leaving everything else at default, right? And clicking save. So now this is my discount code, which is 25 secrets for my 25% off. That's the exact discount code name I use in my actual store. Once that is done, your ManyChat account is synced to your Facebook page. You need to go to your Facebook page and you need to make a post on your Facebook page. So we're not going to do this using the ads manager. We're actually going to make a post on the Facebook page. So this is the exact copy that I use in my campaign, plus or minus a few things. Of course, this name is different, store name is different, the link here is different. This is just a YouTube link just to show you how it works. The rest of it, most of it is the same. So let me read this post for you. It says, winter is coming and we at Kingsman, which is the store name, want to ensure that you stay warm and with these cool hoodies for the season. Order now at blah blah blah. PS, if you would like to get 25% coupon code to your checkout, to use at checkout, just comment code below. So now what we do is to add some product shots from our store. So in this case, I'm going to add that image. I'm just going to add one for now. And what I'm going to do is to publish this post to my Facebook page. So you want to click on publish post. Once that post is on your Facebook page, this is where your ManyChat account comes in, and this is how you're going to create your chatbot to use and to work with your Facebook page. And I'm going to show you how it works and what it does and why it's so awesome and why it's amazing and why you're going to use it to make a lot of sales in your Shopify dropshipping store for your next Facebook ad campaign. So this post is here. Next thing you need to do is to go to your ManyChat account. I'm not going to walk you through ManyChat right now. I have tutorials on that. I'm going to leave them in the description so you guys can go ahead and check out ManyChat to learn more about that. You want to go to where it says growth tools. What I'm going to do here is, let me just delete this real fast and show you how to get it. So by default, this is what you will see. Example bar, example pop-up, example landing page. These are used on websites. I'm not going to cover that right now. The growth tool that we're going to focus on is this one that says Facebook comments. So you want to click on that. You can give your growth tool a name. So I'm going to call this winter is coming, since that's the name of the shirt we're promoting now. It's going to ask you to select a post. Once you click on select a post, it's going to grab your Facebook page and it's going to rank the post. You just select the post that you want to use. It's going to ask you to confirm. You just click on confirm. I usually track first level comments only. That's how I like to do it. You can keep it off, but I like to turn it on. You want to send, when user leaves a comment, send message after, and I have mine set to immediately. And then you don't want to use any keywords. So you want any comment on that post to trigger a message from your chatbot to that commenter's inbox. All right, so I hope that makes sense for you. You want to click on next. In the response, you're going to say, hey, full name, if you really want that 25% discount code, comma, just type YES below. That's all you need to do. Once that is done, you can put your YES in quotation so they know they need to type YES below. Once that is done, what I actually need to do here is to turn on and make this active. So you want to make this active. Then you want to click on next. In this section, what you need to do is to click on the one that says send only to users who reply with the keyword. Since the keyword we just set in the previous step was yes, the only persons that type yes should get the next message. And the reason why I'm typing yes so many times is just to cover for different variations in the way people might type the yes. Some will type it with the quotes, some without, some with single quotations. Once that is done, you want to click on save. Then I'm going to move to where it says opt-in message and click on edit. And in this section, the opt-in message, I actually have it here. This is the exact opt-in message I used in my actual campaign that generated over 650 orders. And I'm just going to copy and paste it here. So it's going to say, hey, first name, here's the coupon code for 25% discount in our store. And then you want to give them that coupon code. Please click the button below to visit our store. All right, then I'm gonna give that some space as well. PS, if you ever want to unsubscribe, just type stop. You can leave this here. It's there by default just to give persons the option of unsubscribing from your bot. But I like to keep mine there just so they know they can. This is basically what you need to do. So now all you need to do is to add your button that will take them to your store. So this button is your call to action. So you can say shop now and link your website. For this example, I'm just going to link it to Amazon.com. That's the website, and you want to click on done. And basically, that's how you create your chatbot to take people from commenting on your Facebook post and taking them through a funnel, giving them coupon codes, and then taking them over to your website. And just by doing this, you subscribe people to your audience so you can remarket and retarget these people over and over. And that's why I made a lot of sales, over 650 orders in 30 days on Shopify. So what I'm going to do now is to click on publish. And now that I have this entire sequence published, what I'm going to try and do here is to actually see if I can get it to work. It may not work because I'm the owner of all of these pages and accounts, but let me see. I'm going to try and leave a comment as myself below just to see if it works. So let me switch over to my personal profile and let me just say I want this code. You can comment whatever. So let's say I say I want this code. Let me enter that to see if I get a trigger from this. Well, there you go. All right, so there's a message that came into my Facebook page that says, hey Kirk, let me just open this in messenger.com so you guys can see it on a larger screen. It says, hey Kirk, that's my full name on Facebook. If you really want that 25% discount code, just type yes below. So I'm going to go through the process and type yes and just see what happens. So someone who receives that will type yes. And here it says, hey Kirk, well, it says a first name because I didn't type in the actual variable correctly. A first name, here's a coupon code for 25% discount in our store, and they get the coupon code here. All they need to do is to copy and use that. Please click the link below to visit our store. PS, if you ever want to unsubscribe, just type stop. So now that person would just click that button to take them over to your Shopify store where they can go ahead and shop and use that coupon code to get 25% off. Guys, don't you see how amazing that is? You can actually take people from commenting on your engagement Facebook ads, drive them through a funnel, send them to your Shopify store, give them coupon codes, give them whatever you want to give them for free, and you have them subscribe to your list. So now if I was supposed to go back to MiniChat, let me go back to audience. As you can see, I'm now subscribed to this chatbot just by going through that sequence. So what I can now do is anyone that comments on this post and is subscribed, I can retarget and remarket to those people for free using MiniChat, automated, take them through an entire sequence and sell them a lot more stuff on Shopify. And that's what I did to generate over 650 orders in 30 days in my Shopify dropshipping store. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and smash that like button and comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can be updated when I release similar videos to this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.